make psychology visual. That's the prime job of a good film. In real world, we rarely say what we actually feel. We show it subtly. And cinema understands that. Good films understand that. So instead of telling the audience what a character is going through, figure a way to show it. Through camera, through the frame, through visual language, through subtle dialogues if possible. The camera can actually really reveal the mind if played well. Few ways how a camera translates psychology into images. Depth of field is clarity of thought. If the character is sharp but the world is blurry, they feel alone, uncertain, or lost in the crowd. If the background snaps clarity into them, you see a purpose forming. Barfi very interestingly uses that very well. Focus to isolate characters in their quietest movements. A lot of scenes in Shutter Island does that really well. Low angle is always equated to power rising. When you place the camera in a way that the camera looks up to the character, we obviously feel that the character is magnanimous and powerful. All villain, all South Indian movies would have these shots in camera placed on the ground through the feet. You would see this character walking. So when we look up to them, we see the power they exuberate, the power they have. Similarly, if you put the camera up and we see down, we look down on the characters, their entire magnanimity breaks down. We suddenly look down upon the character. High angle shot often expose vulnerability, weakness. For example, in Joker, when Arthur is crushed by reality, crushed by the society, the camera literally looks down on him and we feel his insignificance. Dutch angle, something is wrong, something's off. Tilt the frame, you tilt the mind. Kahani uses that really well. You should check out my short film where I've tried and used it. If you could find it, comment where I did that. High tension movements, we feel the danger before we actually see it in these shots of Dutch angles. Handheld usually is equated with turmoil, panic, instability, survival. Born Ultimatum, tons and tons of handheld shots. Newton has tons of handheld shots. Over the shoulder is perspective. It could also be threat. Whose shoulder we are behind matters a lot, as much as who we are seeing. Over the shoulder of the hero, we feel what they fear. Over the shoulder of the villain, we are focused into their gaze. Drishyam uses this incredibly well in the scenes. The rule of visual psychology, what I understood was, don't explain the emotion, figure a way to show it visually. Visualize it. Cinema is not a book, it's not a podcast, it's not a talking head video like this. It is an emotional camera aimed at the audience's heart. And the frame is a window into the character's soul. Use every shot to say, this is what they feel, this is what they hear, this is what they're going through. This is how the world looks from here. And this is their truth. See you in the next lesson.